I mean, really, would you just look at that? It's pouring cats and dogs. Yeah, I know. I live in a Lego castle. See this? It's red. Yeah. So, yeah, it's raining pretty hard. Obviously the trees have no leaves. That's okay. The rain is really what we should worry about. Whatever. Silence. What? Oh, that's stupid. That's comedy. Oh my god, okay. So I'm walking in the pouring fucking rain right now, okay? Nobody can ever say that it never rained in Texas. Look at this. I just saw this earlier. Look at that. Look how much water that is. It's fucking insane. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's streaming water. It's like fucking 40 days and 40 nights. Fuck. Oh god. I just want to get umbrella to see. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so it's been raining and I just believe that it's fucking insane. This is fucking crazy. Look at this. Look at all that water. Look, I'm gonna stand right still. Look at all of this. Of course there are fucking sirens blaring. People don't fucking drive fast enough. Where am I going? Oh yeah. Over here. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Ah, God, I'm gonna drown! Ah, ah. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Woo! Shit, that was wind. Okay.